Hello guys, breaking news tributes power in for wrestling star James Pasquale Jimmy, the jester who has died aged 34 after suffering serious injuries in a car crash, New Jersey. Based fighter James Pasquale suffered serious injury in a car crash. Clone prince of professional wrestling trained at the famous Monster School. Friends, breaking news: serious injury in a car crash. Wrestling star and died at the age 34. Friends, breaking news prevailing New Jersey based. Friends, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Thank you.